Why did this millionaire invest in HEX? In this video, we'll be looking into why Maxim Cincinatis, a millionaire, invested in HEX and what we can learn from his story. Hello and welcome to AB Crypto. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB Crypto_. And if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get started. When there are good things in the market, people notice and invest in them. This is why Richard Heart and his ecosystem are becoming popular. And in fact, a lot of the hate that Heart used to get is fading away as people see guaranteed results from his products. Heart's way of doing things is different, but that does not mean he's not intelligent, or he doesn't work hard, or that he's illogical, because not only does he know what he's getting into, but he also ensures that he fulfills his promises regardless of how much effort it takes. This is the reason behind HEX's success, and this is going to be the same reason for Pulsechain's success. HEX has been out in the market for years now. Despite this, it has never seen a downturn. Compared with some other big projects, this is not the case, which means HEX's code, while not being perfect, as nothing is solid. Additionally, with HEX, Richard Heart has shown how traditional forms of investment can run without banks or middlemen. These certificates of deposit have been around for quite some time now, and just a few years back, no one would have thought someone might be crazy enough to take that idea and develop an entire crypto project out of it. Heart showed everyone how the power of blockchain technology could allow things to work without any intermediary authority. Since HEX is accessible to investors globally without any background checks, the returns are way higher, as the APY of HEX is around 40%. Barely anyone comes close to this, proving HEX is the real winner and will continue to be in the future. Now, coming back to our main question, who is the millionaire Maxim Cincinatis that invested in HEX, and was his investment successful or not? For many who don't know, Maxim Cincinatis, now a millionaire with wealth in 7 figures, is also the founder of Maxim Broadcast, which is a YouTube channel that mainly talks about HEX, including some other projects such as Hedron, Ecosa, and Pulsechain. He details his financial journey on his vlog, where he stated he simply had no idea how to achieve wealth since his beginnings were very humble. But at the age of 28, seeing life not taking him to the places he may want to be someday, that's when he decided it was time to change things, and to do that, he worked his way up like many others without generational wealth. To turn his life around and make all of this a reality, Cincinatis understood money does not come easily, and to generate wealth, you have to be consistent in what you're doing, or else everything will fall apart. To him, these two things are essential that many people get wrong, because there is no such thing as easy money or fast money. To get where he is right now, he cut down on his spending, invested in real estate, and lived in a garage while renting the house he owned. As time passed and more money started to come, he reinvested it, knowing one day his money would do the hard work for him and ultimately make him rich. A change in his habits, which included spending on liabilities like cars and computers to spending on assets, literally made all the difference. And once he started to see the results, this motivated him to do more. Cincinatis later explored crypto, where he understood it is the fastest growing asset class, even faster than real estate, and found HEX to be the right mix with its practicality and staking system. He discovered its code to be immutable, and therefore understood HEX is here for a long time, even without Richard Heart. So basically, everything about HEX made sense to him. As he didn't have much money to invest in another real estate venture, he ultimately decided to take a risk on the launch of HEX, placing him in an early position. After a few years, the decision paid off, and Cincinatis, including a few others, made a ton of money off of HEX. Even today, he continues to do so, as he has stated several times that since many people on HEX have staked for 15 years, there is no denying that the liquidity of HEX will ever end. Therefore, he's comfortable not exiting his position. Because of this, HEX will always remain a true generational wealth builder in the crypto world, not only due to earning higher yield, but also from the price increase of HEX as time passes. So in simple words, for Cincinatis, HEX is a game changer, and as more time passes, it will become invincible. And because of the previous success of HEX, Cincinatis believes that Pulsechain will also do good, because the main brain behind it is someone who just gets it. By understanding most people are in crypto for the money, he is working to ensure the price of both Pulsechain and Pulsex gives maximum returns to its users in as little time as possible. So for him, being bullish on Pulsechain makes sense because of all the right reasons, and he does not want to lose the opportunity that he understands might never come again. Clearly, Maxim Cincinatis wouldn't have achieved his financial position had he invested in something besides HEX, and knows that to grow his wealth even more in the future, Pulsechain is just the right project to invest in. And if you want to get ahead of the game for Pulsex, make your way to pulsextokens.com. Here you can also list new token projects for free, vote for your community's project, and utilize their free Pulsex faucet for 100 Pulsex per day that will be queued up and given to you at launch, all in exchange for simply getting their name out there. You can use my personal links down below and can become an affiliate yourself to earn 20% from any users who join using your link. So, what do you think? Do you think Pulsechain will make more millionaires? Like always, do share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comment section down below. This brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining, and if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.